So, friends, I'm here with the 16th characteristics of successful people. That is, that they will demonstrate courage. So, what is the definition of courage? So, courage is the quality of mind or a spirit which will compel the people to face dangerous situation in spite of they are fearing about that situation. So basically, if you break down, if it, we'll try to break down this particular definition. So basically, what it is trying to say that whenever the person will start facing the situation of which they are fearful, and when they will cross that situation, they will be called as courageous person, or people will start saying them courageous people. So how this courageous attitude can develop? So what author is saying that what I understood from this particular characteristic is that more and more if you face the situation, the fearful situation or the situation where you are scared of, more and more you will become courageous, or people will start seeing you as a courageous person. And obviously, I mean, if you face this situation, a fearful situation, you will uh, go beyond this situation, you will become successful, or at least you will move towards your goal and on the success path. So once someone has asked the author, seeing you, I mean, it seems like you are not scared of anything. But the author, in the mind, he was thinking, no, I am scared of so many things. But what author told that the people, to the people, it might be, they might be seeing me as that I am fearless. The reason is, whatever the fearful situation, or whatever the situation which scared the author, he faced that situation with with the 10x rule, and constantly he will face that situation, and he will overcome that situation, and he will take a massive action. That is, in one of the chapter, author told that that is a fourth degree action. So that is nothing but that is a massive action. So with this particular attitude, with this particular characteristic, if someone is dealing that situation to other person, they will sound like, or they will feel that okay, this person is fearless. So friends, to become successful, this characteristics, this particular characteristic, the characteristic number 16, that is related to courage, you have to constantly keep on facing the situation which you feel that is fearful for you, and with the 10x rule, will take massive action, and you will succeed in your life. Thank you, friend. I will come with another characteristics. Till then, bye and see you.